Hi, this week's Business Insights focuses on pricing. And in Al Nietzsche's course on pricing psychology, he goes into three different aspects of pricing that are really important to understand as far as the psychological aspects go. First is anchoring. Anchoring is starting from selling your highest price product and presenting that first and then working your way down to the less expensive one. Classic top-down selling strategy. Second is charm pricing, and we all know that numbers that end in 99, 95, those types of things, a lot of study around that, still works very well as an important part of your pricing strategy. The third one is decoy pricing, and although it can kind of sound maybe a little bit deceptive, it's really about creating choices for consumers and then them being able to choose. And typically people will migrate to the middle one. So check out the course. Hope this little tidbit works for you and have a great day.